Hello and welcome to episode 2 of the Hen Party Ideas. So, you've asked the group for ideas. Great. Now what do? Well, simple. You go and do a Google search and get overwhelmed with all the ideas that come up. Or you head to social media and you search hen party ideas or stag ideas. And again, get a little bit overwhelmed. But it helps you see what is out there. So you've got the group's ideas and now you've got the reality of what actually exists. So now you can put it to the group and get a ranking on what do they prefer. Do they, and obviously this is what I sell, so I'm going to talk about it, do they want a themed dance class? And if they want a themed dance class, what theme would they want? Would they want line dancing? Would they want street dance? Is there a particular artist that they like? Is there a particular era that are they really into their 80s music? Then, oh my God, an 80s party is so fun. So go and ask them based on your research. Follow along for more tips.